Hello ladies, Kelsha here, your Ayurvedic wellness coach and women's empowerment coach, here to drop some hard truth on you because I see this taking place way too often. And this truth is, most of us as women think or believe, some of us even believe this, that putting others first is virtue, that putting others first is the right thing to do, that putting others first is our obligation and our responsibility. Let me know in the comments below if some of you feel or experience this or see other women going through this. Ladies, it's not a virtue. It's not your responsibility to put others first. You're not obligated to do that. Okay? Putting others first is the slow path to burnout. Because a lot of the times what I have seen is that women, we put our families first, we put our jobs first, we put our schedule, we schedule in so much things to do throughout our day. And when you look at your schedule, how much of that time is dedicated to you? How much of that time is dedicated to you doing something for you? How much of that time is dedicated to you just having a moment to breathe? Let me know in the comments how much of that time is dedicated to you when you take a look at your to-do list. Okay? If you are constantly exhausted, running on fumes, your health is suffering. Your body is screaming at you. That is why you have pain. That is why you're exhausted. That is why your menstrual is out of sync, because you are not listening to your body. It is time to ask yourself, who told you that your needs don't matter? Who made you believe that self-care is selfish? The truth is, when you take care of yourself first, you show up stronger for everyone else. Ayurveda teaches us that balance isn't just a nice idea, it is a necessity. Repeat this to yourself. Balance is not just a nice idea, it is a necessity. Your energy, your digestion, and your hormones all suffer when you ignore your body's signals. And a lot of us are having manifestations of diseases, of discomfort, because we are choosing not to listen to our bodies. We are choosing to carry on being imbalanced, going against the flow of nature. Now, this is something you need to contemplate on. How are you impacting your health? How are you impacting your hormones? How are you impacting your mind? How are you impacting your energy on a day-to-day basis based on your to-do list? Now drop a heart in the comments if you are ready to take control of your health and self-worth. Your body is waiting. Your body's been calling you to do this. Remember, ladies, self-care first in order for you to show up. Now, if you would like to go deeper on how you can reconnect to your body, your uniqueness, your bliss, your inner fire, and take care of you first, click the link in my description or the link in my bio and book a free consultation with me. And together, let's start bringing you back to wholeness, bringing you back to worthiness, bringing you back to bliss and shine, so that you can show up strong, not just for others,